All right, students. In this video, we'll review our proportion application problems. Let me have you pause the video and read this problem all the way through. Read it through twice. Then start the video back up and we'll work it together. Now we remember that on a proportion problem, our work will be an equation of two ratios. We'll set a ratio up here, we'll set a ratio up here, there'll be an unknown, and we'll solve. Let's read carefully. On a scale drawing of a house, 4 inches represents 7 feet. Find the length of a room that is 9 inches long on the drawing. Let's go back to the first sentence. On a scale drawing of a house, 4 inches represents 7 feet. Let me make a note. This 4 is inches, while this 7 is feet. Find the length of a room that is 9 inches long on the drawing. Let's get the 9 inches in the proper place in my proportion. In this ratio, I have inches in the top and feet in the bottom. This 9 is inches. If I've got inches in the top on one ratio, I got to have inches on the top of the other. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the length of a room. Length of a room, it would make sense for that to be in feet. Now take your calculator and we'll cross multiply and divide. Multiply this way, 4 times n. Then multiply this way, 7 times 9. Then get n by itself by dividing by 4. On my calculator, 63 divided by 4 is 15.75. If you like, you could rewrite that as 15 3/4. Let's label it. This is the side of a room, and it was in feet. This is the way I'd like you to show your work on your assignment. Fill out the proportion, cross multiply, use your calculator to give me a final answer, and label that final answer. Let's try one more example. Pause the video, read this problem through carefully, and then start the video and we'll work it together. Let's get the proportion set to go. And we'll read the problem through. The standard dose of medicine for an orange cat is 8 grams for every 12 pounds of body weight. What is the standard dose for a cat that weighs 15 pounds? Let's go back to the first sentence. The standard dose of medicine is 8 grams for every 12 pounds of body weight. 8 grams for every 12 pounds. Let's make a note. The 8 is grams, while the 12 is pounds. What is the standard dose for a cat that weighs 15 pounds? Let's get the 15 into the correct place in the proportion. In this ratio, I have grams in the top and pounds in the bottom. This 15 is pounds. If I have pounds in the bottom of one ratio, I must keep pounds in the bottom of both ratios. What's the final question? The final question is to find the standard dose of medicine. The dose of medicine is in grams, so we'll put that in the top. All right, now cross multiply. 12 times n, I'll show right here. 8 times 15 is 120. Now divide by 12. 120 divided by 12 is 10. We'll call that 10 grams. Beautiful. When you work these problems, give me the proportion, solve, label your answer. If the answers turn out to be a decimal, feel free to round off. I want to thank you all for all of your hard work today. You did a great job. Do quality homework. I'll see you later.